Hello students, this is your next video on the chapter fractions after multiplication of fractions. In this video, I am going to teach you the topic division of fractions. So as I have explained you the word problems in the previous video, I think you must all have solved the word problems which I have given you as homework. Question number 5, 9, 10, 12, 15 and question number 6 also. So if you have problem in any question, you can comment down in the comment section. I will explain that question in my next video. So in this video, I will start with division of fractions. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the first thing which I want to teach you in division of fractions is reciprocal of fractions. Reciprocal. Now what is the meaning of reciprocal? I think you must have studied in English also. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal का मतलब होता है उल्टा. We can also say inverse. Reciprocal means inverse also we can say, but not accurately inverse is correct. Reciprocal मतलब, for example, 7 is written. Okay students. So what will be the reciprocal? The reciprocal will be 1 upon 7. For example, 5 upon 9 is written over here. So what will be the reciprocal? The reciprocal will be 9 upon 5. So we just have to make the numerator denominator. The numerator is changed to denominator and the denominator is changed to numerator. The position is changed. That is reciprocal. Two fractions are said to be the reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Right? Now I will try to multiply. Product means multiply. I am multiplying here. So the product came out 1. Again I am multiplying this one. Here also the product came out 1 when I am multiplying. So these fractions are the reciprocals of each other. Whenever we will multiply the reciprocals, the answer should be 1. Then only the reciprocal is correct. Okay students. So in general, if a by b is a fraction, then the reciprocal of a by b is b upon a. The numerator got the position at the denominator and the denominator became the numerator. So this is reciprocal of fractions. Now I want to take some examples in order to make you understand more what is reciprocal of fraction. For example, a fraction is given to you 4 upon 23. So what will be the reciprocal? The reciprocal will be 23 upon 4. Now I am multiplying it. See, the product is 1. If it is written 9, what is the reciprocal of 9? The reciprocal of 9 is 1 upon 9. The product came out what? The answer is 1. So after multiplying the reciprocals, the answer should be 1. Now I will teach you how to divide fractions. Please pay attention. Now I am going to teach you division of fractions. To divide a fraction by another number, another fraction, the first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. Just now I told you how to find out the reciprocal of any fraction. So how will we divide? For example, 5 upon 9 is a fraction and you have to divide it by 3 upon 9. Then how will you divide, students? To divide the fraction, we divide the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. This is first fraction and this is second fraction. So the reciprocal of 3 upon 9 is, the reciprocal of 3 upon 9 is 9 upon 3. So once we have reciprocated this fraction, इसका reciprocal जब हम लोगों ने निकाल लिया है, then we are going to put the symbol multiply. Now we will simplify it. So the answer is 5 upon 3. How it became 5 upon 3 and how it is multiplied over here? Because whenever we are dividing something, we used to divide like this, right? 5 upon 9 upon 3 upon 9. So whenever we are dividing the fractions, we divide like this. This number is multiplied by this number and this number is multiplied by this number. Okay students, the numerator of the first fraction is multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction. The denominator of the first fraction is multiplied by the numerator of the first fraction. Now I am going to take one more example for you. 4 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 21. So when we have to divide the fractions, with the first fraction is remain unchanged, the second fraction we have to find out the reciprocal and then we have to multiply first and second. So as per the rule, it will be 4 upon 7 multiplied by 21 upon 3, as I have taken the reciprocal of the fractions. Now 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. So what will be the what will be the division of this answer? The answer of this division will be 4. Now to explain you further, I am going to take some more examples. Please pay attention. So students, now I have taken a different type of example over here. First number is 24, then other number is a mixed fraction. So as per the rule, I have told you whenever it is a mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper fraction. Now 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 2 will be 23 upon 7, right? So we have converted this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Now this 24 is written like that only, and 24 upon 1. Why we have written 1 over here? As I told you, if there is no denominator, we will consider by default 1. Okay students. So 24 upon 1 divided by 23 upon 7. So as per the rule, first fraction will remain unchanged. इस पे कोई effect नहीं पड़ेगा. Now the second fraction 23 upon 7, it will be reciprocate. हम लोग इसका reciprocal निकाल लेंगे. So 24 upon 1 multiplied by 7 upon 23. Now can it be simplified? I don't think so that it can be simplified because 23 is a prime number. So we will simply write the answer. 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So 168 upon 23 is your answer. Now I am going to explain you further by taking one more example to make it very clear to you. 36 divided by 2, 1 upon 3. Right. Now again this is an improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1. So 7 upon 3 it will be, and it will be 36 upon 1 divided by 7 upon 3. Now to divide it, I am going to find out the reciprocal. The reciprocal will be 3 upon 7. Once I have find out the reciprocal, I will multiply it. Now can we simplify it? No, we cannot simplify it. So 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9, 10. So it will be 108 upon 7. So this is how we divide the fractions. Now I am going to take some examples of the word problems also. So please pay attention. So students, now I am going to take some word problems examples. These word problems are from your exercise 2C. ये आपकी 2C exercise की word problem है. I am mentioning the question numbers also. So this will be your classwork. Okay students. So the first question which I am going to take is question number 4. I am reading the question for you. A rope of length 13 1 upon 2 meter has been divided into 9 pieces of the same length. What is the length of each pieces? Okay student. Now each piece, we have to find out the length of each piece. So 13 1 upon 2 meter is the total length of the rope. There is a rope which is 13 1 upon 2 meters long. Now this is an mixed fraction, so I will convert it into improper fraction. So 2 13s are 26. 26 plus 1 will be 27. So it will be 27 upon 2 meter. So this is the total length of the rope. Now in how many pieces the rope is divided? The rope is divided into 9 pieces. So number of pieces in which the rope is divided. How many pieces? 9 pieces. So what will be the length of each piece? So the length of each piece. In my previous video, I have explained you the unitary method. What was that? To get more value, we used to multiply. But here, we have to find out for 1. Okay student, the rope is divided into 9 pieces, and what is the length of one piece? That means we have to find out for less. So to obtain less value, what do? we used to divide. So I am going to divide 27 upon 2 meter, that is the total length of the rope, by 9. I am going to divide it by 9. So as I told you, when we are dividing the fractions, the first fraction remains unchanged and the second fraction is, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and then we multiply to find out the answer. So it will be 27 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 9. Right? Now 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. Now 3 upon 2. So the answer is 3 upon 2 meter. This is the लेंथ ऑफ ईच पीस, यानी कि जो 9 पीसेस कट किए गए थे उसमें से एक पीस की लेंथ है 3/2 मीटर. Now we can write it into mixed fraction also. So it will be 1/2 meter. In your book, all the answers are given in the form of mixed fraction. So I am converting it into mixed fraction. Now I am going to solve the next question for you, which is question number 6. So please pay attention, students. So students, I am reading the question number 6 for you. By selling oranges at the rate of rupees 6 3/4 per orange, a man gets rupees 378. How many oranges does he sell? That means a man has sold the oranges at the rate of rupees 6 3/4 per orange. यानी कि उसने एक ऑरेंज का क्या प्राइस लगाया? उसने लगाया है रुपीज़ 6 3/4. This is the price of one orange. Okay, students. Now, how much he has earned after solding the oranges? His total earning is rupees 378. He has earned rupees 378 by selling the oranges. Now, we have to find out how many oranges he has sold by earning this much. Okay, students. So as I told you, firstly we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27/4. So the price of one orange is rupees 27/4. So this is the price of one orange and this is the earning. So we have to find out how many oranges he has sold. So we have to divide in order to find out number of oranges sold by him. So how will we proceed? Number of oranges sold by him. What we are going to do over here? We are going to multiply 378. Sorry, we are going to divide 378 divided by 27/4. अब जैसे मैं इसका एक एग्जाम्पल आपको ईजी समझा देती हूँ. लाइक द प्राइस ऑफ 7 पेन्स इज ₹21. यानी कि 7 पेन आपके कितने में मिल रहे हैं आपको? 21 में. सो व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ 1 पेन? ठीक है, तो एक पेन का क्या प्राइस होगा? यू आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड. सो द प्राइस ऑफ 1 पेन इज ₹3. तो ठीक इसी तरह से ये क्वेश्चन है. आपको बता दिया गया है कि ये जो प्राइस है कुछ ऑरेंजेस को सेल करने के बाद मिला है. सो हाउ मेनी ऑरेंजेस वर सोल्ड? सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड ओवर हेयर. नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन रिमेन्स अनचेंज, तो इस पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. द सेकेंड वन विल बी, I will take the reciprocal of this. So it will become like this. 378 multiplied by 4/27. Right? Now I am going to multiply, simplify it. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 6s are 18. Now again 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Now 14 4s are 14 4s is 56. So how many oranges were sold? 56 oranges were sold and the shopkeeper got ₹378. So students, now I am going to solve the next question for you. That is question number 17. By what number should 6 2/9 be divided to obtain 4 2/3? यानी कि 6 2/9 में हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर डिवाइड करेंगे जिससे हमें क्या मिलेगा? 4 2/3. तो सबसे पहला स्टेप जो विच यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो इज टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 2. It will be 56 by 9 divided by x is equals to 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 upon 3. Okay students, now as I told you, whenever we are dividing any fraction, what happens? That fraction, this x is in divide over here. ये x जो है यहाँ पे इसके साथ डिवाइड में है. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So when it is going over here, it will be in multiply. LHS और RHS के कुछ रूल्स होते हैं. जो चीज़ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में माइनस होती है वो राइट हैंड साइड में प्लस हो जाती है. एंड द थिंग विच इज प्लस ओवर हेयर इट विल बिकम माइनस. द थिंग्स विच आर इन डिवाइड are going to become multiply and the things which are in multiply are going to become divide. So तो ये यहाँ पे क्या है, डिवाइड में है. So it will be in multiply over here. So the next step will be 56 upon 9 is equals to 14 upon 3 multiplied by x. Right? Now to find out the value of x, this is in multiply over here. So when it will go on the left hand side, ये डिवाइड में है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, this will be in multiply and this is multiply, so it will be in divide. So it will be like this, 9 into 14 and this will be the value of x. Now I am going to simplify it for you. 3 ones are 3 threes are 14 ones are 14 fours are. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 4 upon 3. So as I told you, all the answers in your book is in mixed fraction. So we can write like this, 1 upon 3. Now I am going to take one more example based on this so that you should understand it more clearly. So please pay attention. So students, the next question is, by what number should 6 2 upon 9 multiplied with to get 40? So in that question 6 2 by 9 में हमने divide किया था and we obtained something. In this question, we are multiplying something to 6 2 upon 9 in order to obtain what? In order to obtain 40. Now, the first step which we follow to convert it into improper fraction, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 2 is 56 upon 9 multiplied by x is equals to 40, right? Now, how will we find out the value of x? As I told you, whatever is on the left hand side and it is in multiply, it is going to become divide. So it will be 40 multiplied by 56 and this 9 is over divide. ये यहाँ पे x के साथ divide में है. So when it will go on the right hand side, it will be multiply. Okay students. Now how will I find out the value? It will be divided like this. 4 tens are 40, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 2 fives are 10, 2 sevens are 14. So what is the answer? 5 nines are 45. 45 upon 7. So we have to write this number in mixed fraction. So it will be written like this. 6 3 upon 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 45. So this is the answer. So these were the questions which are your classwork, and the classwork questions are question number 4, question number 6, question number 17, and this is one of the examples. So I want you to do in your questions classwork copy also. And आपको एक photo मिलेगी. There will be some questions having tick mark. That tick mark is your homework. You are supposed to do those questions in your homework copy on the basis of the explanation in this video. I hope you all have understood well. If you have some problems, you can comment down in the comment section. In any question, if you are facing any difficulty, I will explain that particular question in my next video. I hope you have understood well. Thank you, students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.